Here's a 2017 Acadia Limited, 19,000 miles, kind of a beige color, one owner with a clean Carfax. Really a sharp vehicle here. It actually plays off of the older body style. They came out with a new style in 2017, but this Limited is off of more of the 16 body, and it really gives you a lot more space. Gives you that classic Acadia look. You do have the LED fogs and high intensity headlamps there. We'll continue around. Gives you these really nice 20-inch bold chrome faced wheels. The tires on this are about half, maybe a little less, 30 seconds maybe on the tires. You can see the wheel is scuff free though. We got a nice shiny resurfaced rotor in there. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at Thomas. We do a full mechanical reconditioning used car check signed out by the technician that performs it. You can find that report in the glove box of all of our cars. We look in here, we have ebony leather bucket seats, offset white stitching, full console that runs in between, dark charcoal carpeting. You can see some brushed aluminum accents that run throughout the center dash. We also got a little wood grain accent here as well on the door handles. GMC door sill entry guards there. Really lets you know you're driving a premium sedan. Also in the second row here, you can see captain's chairs or 4 buckets quad seating. They call it, gives you nice access to the rear seating area. So you can also see very ample leg, hip, and shoulder room there for all your occupants. Looking in the center console, you can see audio controls there. You also have a power supply down below. Some vents there allow the air through, so nice feature there. You can see scuff free on the back here also. Now meatier tires, much meatier here on the back, probably about 30 seconds or so, so plenty of meat on those rear tires. Continuing around to the back, like I say, it is the Limited. You can see by the badging there, lets you know that it was the other style, and you can see the integrated sensors. We've got our backup camera there. Got a power lift gate, as you can see, with one touch it comes up. Also accessible on the key fob, which I'll show you. There's your power lift gate. Also has remote start, keyless entry there also. You can see ample cargo room here with the rear seats in the upright position, but also with a quick flip of either of these 2 levers, you can flip them down, stow them away. You also have some audio controls back here in the back and another power source as well. There's a button on the hatch also. So you have a lot of different ways of opening that power rear lift gate. Continuing around to the driver's side, again, just to show you no scuffs or scrapes on that wheel. Like I say, very meaty back tires here and a nice resurfaced rotor there as well. Just show you the back from the driver's side. You can see very clean. No rips, tears, stains, rotors in this vehicle. And then as we get up to the driver's side, full power seat on the driver's side, as you can see there, and as you can tell, no tears from this angle either. Now, just going to give you a quick little tour here, what it's like to be behind the wheel of this vehicle. Of course, your power door locks, power windows, and your power mirrors are located in the classic position, all in the one switch pod here on the door. You also have your memory seats, programmable to 2 different driver's settings and 2 different key fobs. Jump in, we'll just stick the key in here. It is a laser cut key. Start it up, show you the exact miles. Say 19,000, just shy of 20,000 miles. There you see 19,829. Continuing with the tour, you have push button for your fog lights, automatic headlamp control here. That's your interior switch, dimmer switch there. We got your washers here on the front, high beams and turn signals, all on the stem there. Does have heated steering wheel, as you can see, audio controls, or excuse me, cruise control to the left, audio controls to the right with your Bluetooth or hands-free. We also got the big touchscreen radio, and it is equipped with factory nav. I'll just hit that there so you can see it load up. There you see the factory nav. Also, it has AM/FM satellite radio as well. You can see the dual climate control, automatic temperature setting on your heating controls, heating and air conditioning. There you can see your heated seats. We also have the ability to turn on your rear wiper, turn off your traction control, turn off the power lift gate. We have a 12-volt power supply here as well. Have the ability to select any of the gears of the multi-speed transmission here. You can see on the column or floor shift. We also got 2 large cup holders. Little hidden compartment here for some money and change. And then we have a sliding armrest, which is nice, comfortable, put it where you want it. And a little door here just to keep some other small items. Of course, all Chevy vehicles are equipped with the OnStar, and this has an auto rear dimming mirror. And then you have LED map lights, and then you also have your integration there to program, you know, automatic door opener, gate release, something of that nature. Now, there's no roof on this vehicle or rear entertainment, so we have a solid roof. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. I know we have a 6-cylinder V6 here. I believe it's a 3.6 liter, but let's go ahead and pop the hood to be sure. There you go, 3.6 liter variable valve timed engine. Now with the shrouding, it's hard to show you a lot in this engine compartment, but I can tell you it's very quiet, no exhaust leaks, no fluid leaks, no corrosion on any of the terminals. Obviously less than 20,000 miles. Looks like a new engine under here. I'm gonna go ahead and shut the engine off. We'll get into the next portion of the video, which I really am proud of. I think it differentiates us here at Thomas. Not only do we upfront in our pricing, as well as the mechanical condition of our vehicles, as I spoke of earlier, but also the cosmetic condition. So my job is to be your eyes and ears, kind of walk around this car, show you any minor blemishes, if needed. Front fender looks excellent. Top of the door line looks good as well. Got a little nick right here. You can see it's been touched up with factory matching paint. No dent, no. Little scuff, couple little scuffs there on that rear door as well. Now all cleaned up, and underneath these lights, if there's any marks, it should be easy for me to see. I really like this color though, because it hides some dirt, hides some scratches. I'll point them out to you, but after a day or two of driving, no one else would see any of these little tiny marks that you can see underneath these fluorescent lights. That's actually some dirt there. Scrapes right off. Yep. That's just dirt there as well. A couple little scratches on that catch panel, but really back liftgate looks really, really good. Continue around to the passenger side here. Haven't found really a dent at all. So that one little scratch on the driver's door is really probably the worst of the damage I've noticed. It's really in very good shape. It's nice, straight and clean. A couple little stone chips here across the front, but nothing out of the ordinary. Little one underneath that headlamp there. Let's check the hood out. Little scuff right there. Little chip right there. And looks like it. So you see, they don't make these cars anymore. Like I say, the new design is much smaller. So if you're interested in this type of Acadia, we've been selling them fast, and they're getting less and less available. So please don't hesitate to give us a ring. It does still have the remainder of the comprehensive and powertrain warranties transferable through GMC, so you can buy this vehicle with confidence. If you're interested, a couple of different ways of getting a hold of us. Look us up on the web at www.thomasata.com or give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.